A well-designed product brochure can turn viewers into customers within seconds. Let's start by opening Canva and clicking on Create a Design. From the search bar, type brochure and select a brochure layout that matches your product style. Once the editor opens, browse through the templates on the left side and choose a clean, professional design. Now replace the sample images with your own product photos by dragging them into the image frames. Next, click on the headline text and add your product name. Below that, write a short product description that highlights the main benefits and features. To make the brochure more attractive, go to the Elements tab and add icons that represent